The Berlin Codex, given the accession number Papyrus Berolinensis 8502, is a Coptic manuscript from the 5th century AD, unearthed in Akhmim, Egypt. In Cairo, in January 1896, Carl Reinhardt bought a codex which had been recently discovered, wrapped in feathers, in a niche in a wall at a Christian burial site. It was a papyrus-bound book, dating to early 5th century that was written in Sahidic dialect of Coptic, which was in common use in Egypt during that time. It was taken to Berlin for the Berliner Museen, where it was brought to the notice of the Royal Prussian Academy of Sciences by Carl Schmidt, July 16, 1896. Schmidt edited the site.It in 1903, but the Gnostic contents of the Berlin Codex were not finally completely translated until 1955. Few people paid attention to it until the 1970s, when a new generation of scholars of early Christianity took an increased interest in the wake of the discovery of the more famous group of early Gnostic Christian documents found at Nag Hammadi in 1945. The Berlin Codex is a single-quire Coptic codex bound with wooden boards covered with a leather that neither resembles tanned leather, nor does it resemble parchment or alum toward skin. 4 texts are bound together in the Berlin Codex. All are Greek works in Coptic translations. The first, in 2 sections, is a fragmentary Gospel of Mary, for which this is the primary source manuscript. The manuscript is a Coptic translation of an earlier Greek original, though the surviving pages are well preserved. The text is not complete, and it is clear from what was found that the Gospel of Mary contained 19 pages. Assuming that the Codex begins with it, pages 1 to 6 and 11 to 14 are missing entirely. The Codex also contains the Apocryphon of John, the Sophia of Jesus Christ, and an epitome of the Act of Peter. These texts are often discussed together with the earlier Nag Hammadi texts. Works, dialect and Petrusaktin, im Zusammenhang der Apokryphen Aposteliteratur nebst einem neu entdeckten Fragment unter Sucht von Carl Schmidt, Hinrichs, Leipzig 1903. In Text und Untersuchung zur Geschichte der altchristlichen Literatur, herausgegeben von Oskar von Gebhardt und Adolf Harnick, Neue Folge 9. Band, der ganzen Reihe 24 Band. This German translation refers to the Papyrus manuscript P8502 in the Berliner Papyrus Sammlung. Tuckett, Christopher, The Gospel of Mary, Oxford Early Christian Gospel Texts, Oxford, Oxford University Press. ISBN 9780199212132.